Hey guys, welcome back to Nomad Builds Gunpla. I am going to be applying top coat to these pieces here, and then I'm going to be detail painting the missile pods here. Today I'm going to be using Mr. Super Clear Semi-Gloss. At the end I'm going to be glossing everything over once decals are applied. The reason I'm using Mr. Super Clear, especially with Gundam marker, since I like to do detail painting after doing a coat paint sometimes, the problem is if you don't top coat or if you use a water-based top coat, the layer of Gundam marker you use over the painted area tends to dissolve whatever's underneath, whether it be water-based top coat or the base layer of paint itself. So try not to do that. Also, never apply Mr. Super Clear over water-based top coats. It will dissolve the water-based top coat and it'll look like a splotchy, horrible mess. But anyway, the objective here is to just get a clean layer of top coat over the pieces. So I'll be doing that real quick. Also, I recommend doing this outside normally. It's just dark out there right now and getting a little muggy. And when it's muggy out, it causes splotches because of the moisture in the air. So try not top coating outside when that happens. Alright. Looking good enough. I'll be right back when I'm about to apply the paint. Okay, so now that I am on to wanting to detail these missile pods, I am going to make the missiles themselves Royal Metallic Red or EX Red. I'm going to start off with Royal Metallic Red, but first I am going to line these pieces using a ultra-fine tip liner marker. Now with these, in case you mess up, as long as you get right off the bat, it is erasable. Just need to kind of lightly go in there is all. But yeah, you really want to use black for darker colors. Like grays, maybe dark blue, stuff like that. I already have a little goof going on right there, not a problem. I'll fix that up in one moment. So with a soft rubber eraser, you could actually just erase whatever goof you made. Might take a second, but it'll come up. go, good enough. I may have not mentioned this before, but you don't have to be perfect. At least I don't strive for like 100% perfection when doing this. I like to have fun. Which, honestly, that's all that matters. Just have fun with it. Sometimes you'll end up with happy little mistakes. Kind of like what Bob Ross said back in the day when he was painting his happy little trees. Alrighty, that looks good enough. Now for the next part, I have oil metallic red and EX red, which is basically the same color, just a finer metallic. So I'm going to be making these missile pods red, or at least the missiles themselves in the pods. Now, when you're using gun markers, it's best to try not overlapping, because then it'll come out kind of messy looking. I'm actually going to detail the rest of these and the undersides of that once I'm done recording the video. It's just really hard to do that with the lighting I have set up right now. But I'm going to use EX Red. Let me just find a good marker here that I have. I think it's this one. Oh yeah. And I'm going to get this portion with EX Red. Alrighty. But yeah, that is top coating and detailing, as well as using the ultra fine tip liner pens. I'm not sure what I'll be recording next, but I will keep you guys posted. Have a great night.